Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Busy week this week. We got a lot of different things going on. Also Thursday, Friday in Warsaw, there's the Wolves Summit, or the Alpha Wolves Summit, which has a lot of investors coming for different tech ideas, and we'll be there today and tomorrow just to see what kind of prop tech solutions are appearing. And then of course Monday we'll be filming from Ljubljana, the Coffee with Craig show, and meeting some of our clients down there. So if you're in Slovenia and you've got kind of projects, or you want to just meet up and talk about what's happening in the market there, let me know. I'll be there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday doing Coffee with Craig with a couple of our clients and working on a couple big projects there. Monica is launching their the new project, the continuingly new project, Monica being launched. So in Ljubljana, so a lot going on. We'll jump right from there. We got a little commercial about our next awards coming up. We have two big ones in October. We've got our CRE Awards, 4th annual CRE Awards in Hungary, which is just the first 3 were great, and it's and always going up, and it looks like the 4th one's even going to be better, as we have a lot of international investors, developers, new jury member, global director for Chapman Taylor coming out to Hungary from the UK. So
that's good, isn't it?
Yeah, good to have him on. I mean, they see opportunities for they always like. They always like exciting projects and big projects to work on. So him and his team are, looking to come out, which will be nice to have them. And then also on the 27th, 1 week later, we have our CEE Investment Awards in Warsaw, which is always a big event. And, it's always nice to get all the investors out and bankers out to see everybody again. So it'll be good to have those on. So we'll be back in 20 minutes, we'll be back in 20 seconds with, it's about 20 minutes, let's take a break. We'll be back in 20 seconds with Winston Norman and the highlights, the daily news from EuropaProperty.com. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So we're back. Winston Norman here with the news. Winston, welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Great to see you.
Yeah, I'm very happy to be here, Craig. Always happy when the sun's shining. So definitely gives me a spring to my step.
Well, very amazing weather considering a week ago it was snowing, right? Or even less than a week ago we had snow. So good to see that it really is becoming spring.
Probably a few more surprises down the road.
Always tornado.
So here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website, and we'll start today with CBRE in Romania, and they've announced their latest report on the retail market. And at the end of the Q2 2022, just over 4 million square meters of modern office retail space is now available in Romania. And according to CBRE, this bodes well for the rest of the year, because the ratios at the moment, or expected ratios, are 37% for retail parks and 63% for normal shopping centres.
Okay.
And one of the latest shopping centres opened in Romania was the Colosseum Mall.
Colosseum, yeah.
Which was an extension of 16,500 square meters. That's one of the main ones. And by the end of the year, CBRE reckon there'll be around 150,000 square meters added to the country, and the ratios will change, because the majority of new development is retail parks today. So they're surpassing shopping centres, and it's what we're seeing throughout the region. And Bucharest is still the main place to go to, but the regional cities are attracting a lot of interest, a lot of traction, and that is mostly in the the retail park format.
Right.
And according to CBRE, they're very excited because Romania is attracting some very influential international tenants today. And some of the latest ones to join the market include Foot Locker in Afi Cotroceni. They're operating now. Primark and Cyberjump are also going to open this year.
Oh, great.
And there's an attractive list of other ones, including Poke House, Submarine Burger, Buddha Original, Teddy Flow, Bath & Body Works, Half Price, part of the CC Group, and JD Sports. So some big international retailers are looking at Romania and seeing some great opportunities there.
Wow. Well, I mean, we just noticed it, I think, from the SCE Awards, too, how many retailers came.
Yeah, it was nice to see a few international ones there. And yeah, there were some interesting projects for them to get in touch with and hopefully start some new business.
Yeah, sounds great. That's a lot of retail action, actually, all those retailers coming.
Yeah, I think, Romania it's still got a vacancy of 3% or something. So, there is a lot of need for retail in Romania. Moving to Poland and in the investment market, and the Czech investor, Wood & Company, have made their first acquisition in Warsaw, which is an office development called the Astrum Business Park. And this is a 23,000 square meter fully leased project, which was developed in two phases between 2016 and 2018. And key tenants include Lionbridge, Prosham, Xerox, Robert Bosch, GEA Process and Engineering, and this building is BREEAM certified. And according to Wood & Company, very excited to enter the Polish market. The fundamentals here for investment, office investments are very good, fully leased, good tenants, and they've got modern ecological systems operating in all modern buildings in Warsaw these days. So,
yeah, and I think in Czech, they just can't find there's just nothing left for sale.
I think that's a problem throughout the region. Limited Class A stock, which these investors kind of require these days, top specifications. But Warsaw definitely has a lot of them. Moving to the industrial market and in Poland, and Panattoni has completed a factory for Danfoss, which is the Danish producer of energy-efficient components and technologies for refrigeration. This is a 13,000 square meter new complex, and on site they'll have 350 workers running 45 production lines. And this new development will serve clients for Danfoss around the world. And it's also supporting Danfoss's goal of reaching zero emissions by 2030. So, a nice environmentally friendly building, BTS building developed by Panattoni there. And finally for today, staying in the warehouse and logistics market, and White Star and Bain Capital Credit have announced that they're developing warehouses in Łódź. They're going to build around 30,000 square meters of logistics and manufacturing park in Łódź, and two buildings. And the first of which will be commissioned in 2023. And this new agreement is a result of an agreement made with Quantum A1, and the transaction was advised by Argon Legal and Sadowski and Partners.
Oh, great. Łódź has always got some new projects on the go, don't they?
Yeah, and I think it still is a very interesting logistics market for tenants and developers, because it's like a central hub of logistics there. Great locations, got all the main motorways in and out of the country. So yeah, it's a very promising location, and it's got huge potential, I would imagine.
Right, great. So thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show today, and stay safe, stay healthy. We've got over 8,000 viewers on our daily, a week on our daily news show, and over 15,000 on our interviews. So let us know if you would like to be, we have our 1 week partnerships coming up. So let us know if you'd potentially be interested in being on one of our shows and being a partner for a week. Having said that, stay healthy, stay safe, and we will see you Friday morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.